are live in just 2 minutes. To the moon. To the moon. Let's go. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and yes, your eyes are not deceiving you, and neither are your ears. My audio is working today, but your eyes are not deceiving you. Bitcoin is blasting off, and it is very, very, very close to a new all-time high. In fact, it is insane to see how quickly the narrative is shifting towards every single person being on the same page. That Bitcoin is ready, officially ready to go to a new all-time high. Are we going to see that on this live stream? There's a chance. Bitcoin is hanging out quite high today. I want to talk about what's going on here in this market, some of the big stories, the big gainers, the big losers, and just have some fun with it. And just celebrate this day, because Bitcoin right now is so close to its previous high. Right now, it's coming back down just a little bit. Let me go over to this real quick. Here's the chart for Bitcoin. These are the 15-minute candles. Yes, we are down to the 15-minute candles now because this right here, this yellow line up here, that's the previous all-time high. And we are just step laddering up, getting closer to this high. From this very moment in time, if you take this little measuring tool, how far are we from this previous all-time high? 1.5%. Not only can that happen in 24 hours, that can quite literally happen in 10 minutes for Bitcoin. That can happen in 5 minutes for Bitcoin. We're on the 15-minute candles. At any moment, this thing could potentially blast through to the new level. With that, we've got the total market cap that I want to take a peek at. I think I have to fix this. Yep. Let's take a peek at where our total market cap is right now. Because I've been saying the same thing over and over and over again, which is this: when Bitcoin goes back to $72,000, $73,000, your altcoins are going to recover. By the way, have you seen SWI? Some people were freaking out about SWI. What did I say? What did I say the other day? If Bitcoin can go to the previous highs, your altcoins are going to pump. Here's SWI, which was absolutely getting crushed there for a minute. One of the top gainers today, having a huge green candle to the upside. Here's Stacks as well, doing pretty well. Not getting as much of a rally as SWI is, but I'll tell you what, guys. Stacks just had a major upgrade. The layer 2 solution for Bitcoin is now very fast transactions, and I think it's going to get big. I think there's going to be a lot going on with that. But let's look at the total market cap, because What are all these lines here? Let's get this sorted out real quick. Let me get rid of some of these lines here. Okay. Bye. Bye. Okay. You see what I thought was going to happen? These red lines shooting off the top of this range. Okay, taking a peek at the total market cap, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. You want an altcoin rally, my friends? And shout out to West Texas Crypto, by the way, gifting a crypto remote membership to Warjohn in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome as a member to the Crypto Report, Warjohn. If you want access to our private Discord, congratulations. Now that you're a member on the channel, you do have that. If you link your Discord to your YouTube account, you can join our private Discord. So check that out, Warjohn, and all the members as well. If you want to become a member, you can do so. By the way, I set out a goal today. 10 super chats. Okay, normally I do an hour-long stream. If we get 10 super chats in the next 44 minutes and 53 seconds, minimum of $5 for the goal, then I'll hang out for an extra 30 minutes today. Okay, I take a little extra time today to celebrate the day, but we're gonna set out a goal. We're gonna set out a goal. Anyway, you're looking for your altcoins to pump. If you're looking for your altcoins to pump, we need to get past this $3 trillion market cap level. In order for that to happen, you need Bitcoin to break out. Well, good news is Bitcoin's absolutely breaking out right now. And we saw a weekly candle bullish retest off the top of the range. Let me zoom out for Bitcoin real quick. We'll come back, give Bitcoin a chance to breathe here for a second. We had our weekly candle break out of this range. So we see this range, right? We were in this range for 230 days. It breaks out. It closes above the range. The second weekly candle, brutal 7 days of waiting to see if we're going to break back down below this. This weekly candle closed quite bullishly, way above this blue line. And now our next weekly candle is extremely bullish to the upside. There is a chance that we have a retest. Again, this would be a bullish retest off the $70,000 level, though it looks like things just want to continue higher. Now that Bitcoin's making this move, we'll talk about something that I've been talking about for a while, which is this idea of now the total market cap blasting off. Because, you know, Bitcoin's 60% of the entire market, guys. It's about 59% dominance in the market. But the good news is when Bitcoin pumps, your altcoins tend to pump as well. And now, finally, we are seeing on the daily time frame for the first time today, right now, this chart start to break out of this range. And so not only is Bitcoin pumping, but our altcoins are pumping too. Shout out to Coin Baron. He has been a member for 4 months, saying all-time high when? All-time high, man. Brother, during this stream, maybe. Seriously, it could happen during this stream. I actually believe that. I do think there's a chance that we could have, again, you know, a bullish retest off the top of this range. That is possible. You know, one more opportunity for some liquidations to occur. Shout out to Chris. Good morning. So much green, Chris. I know. DJ SJ likes some. You like the Milady coin? Nice. Eddie J Funds, are you asking if other coins can hit $1 trillion in market cap? I don't think another coin's going to hit $1 trillion in market cap in this bull market. Maybe Ethereum. Maybe, right? So we'll talk about that. But this is a big deal, guys. Bitcoin was trading sideways for 240 days. The total market cap was trading sideways for 243 days in this range. And now we finally have our first daily candle breakout for the altcoins. This is for the altcoins. This is for the total market cap. This is for altcoins, guys. So what are we seeing? We're seeing Solana doing all right. Back above 180. We're seeing, are we seeing Caspa get a bounce yet? Caspa's not yet getting a bounce. Let me double check this. Hold up. Let's pull back up the Caspa chart. Caspa is not yet getting a bounce. In fact, ooh, getting spooky. I think it's going to find a bounce still. I've got high conviction on Caspa. Sweeze is certainly getting a bounce. You've got other coins like Jasmy right now. Let me refresh my Jasmy charts. see what's going on with that one. Shout out to all 56 of you guys watching in the chat. We're looking at some altcoins right now because we have a daily candle that could be closing for the total market cap for crypto above the range. Let's just go back over that because I know we got some people hopping in. This daily candle, folks, this is something we've been all waiting for. I've been watching this range for the total market cap for a while. We are breaking out of this range just as Bitcoin's doing. This is spectacular for BTC. This is a spectacular move for your altcoins. Mad Peta Peppers, like that name, is asking, do I buy meme coins? I ape into meme coins, brother. I've got a lot of meme coin bags right now. My biggest positions are meme coins. Yes, I'm a crypto degenerate, just as the rest of you are as well. We have all been waiting patiently for this bull market, and there's no doubt the meme coins are a hot narrative. There's no doubt about it. Here's one that I've got. Welsh, it's doing all right. It's coming down a little bit right now, but that's okay. Bitcoin 72,766. Okay, so total market cap candle. We'll keep an eye on this today. This daily candle close above this range. Here's what we got to remember, guys. This daily candle closing above this range. Now today's Tuesday, so this is, you know, our first day of the weekly candle, our second day of the weekly candle now, and we have a couple days left before the end of the week. Obviously, for this weekly, let's look at the weekly time frame. This is probably going to follow what Bitcoin did, I think. So again, for Bitcoin, what did we see? Bitcoin on the weekly time frame had a weekly candle and a $10 super chat from Eddie J Funds. He wants an extra 30 minutes. We need 9 more super chats like that for an extra 30 minutes. Those are the rules. I don't make the rule. Actually, I did make the rules. You can see the goal, the target. Thank you, Eddie J Funds. Maybe you just earned it on your own. Maybe I'll just give the extra 30 minutes for the love there. But let's hit the goal if we can as a community. We appreciate it. We're grinding on the content here. This is a new feature YouTube has, so we're testing it out. It has setting goals. I'll give an extra 30 minutes to the community if we can hit it. And maybe Eddie J Funds just got it for you. Shout out to you, Eddie. You've been around for a long time. But what I'm saying is I think that Bitcoin, had this weekly candle breakout. And then we had this weekly candle retest, and now we're having this next weekly candle being a breakout. I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that for the total market cap too. This weekly candle breaking out, a weekly candle retesting, and then all of a sudden a blast off. Or maybe Bitcoin just goes to Valhalla and we all just get like super, super rich. I feel like I'm losing my voice. Yeah, I think I'm losing my voice. Yesterday, I had one of the biggest sales pitches of my life for my daytime job. I think I closed the deal, guys. I think we closed the deal. So bull market's happening, closing deals. Life's good. Let's keep grinding, guys. Let's keep grinding. Let's get into some of the news. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin. If we see, somebody let me know if we see 73K and I miss it. Okay, we'll go straight over to the Bitcoin chart. If we see 73K, somebody let me know. 71 viewers, 11 likes. We only got 11 likes and 71 views. Guys, let's get it together. Let's get some likes going. Let's get some likes. Do you like Bitcoin pumping? I know you do, so smash a like. Come on, let's do it. Super weird to see, actually. Bitcoin's trending, and it says 68K. Oh, no. Okay, it's refreshed. We're good. Okay, so let's look at this. Liquidations. One thing we've been talking about for a while is that eventually we need some short squeezes, and the short squeezes can help pump us up, okay? So yesterday we had $165 million worth of shorts that were squeezed. What does that mean? Let's speak some English. People were betting that Bitcoin would go down. Those people that placed the bets that Bitcoin would go down were wrong. And guess what? They lost all their money because the price went up and they got liquidated. When they get liquidated, that triggers buys. That sends the price of Bitcoin higher, which is why we've got some upward price movement today. We've got some short liquidations, but they should not be a surprise to you, my friends, because something we've been talking about for a while is once Bitcoin hits $70,000, once Bitcoin hits this $72,000, we've got billions and billions and billions and billions and billions. Oh, my brain skipped for a second. Billions of dollars that are waiting. Ideally, they're not waiting to get squeezed, but they are tempting fate and getting squeezed. Short squeeze, moving us up higher. I think we're at the precipice. I think we are going to blast off much higher. Shout out to P Kitchen, dude. You're the best person on YouTube to watch. No one else I've been watching since August. I bought Pepe at, what, 4,506, 5K in. You made a ton of money. Dude, appreciate you. Thank you for the love. Hope the crypto community, they're pretty good to us. They're pretty good to us. We need more viewers. I'll tell you that. We want more live stream viewers. I love live streams, but it just seems like we do not get a lot of live stream viewers. For some reason, I do think as Bitcoin goes into price discovery mode, we're going to get more viewers. I would like our live streams to be the biggest thing about this channel. I would like these live streams to be the size that BitBoy's live streams were during the last bull market. That is the goal. Do the BitBoy thing, except be better and don't fail. Don't do all the bad things. So I don't know, but man, that was like my OG, one of my OG channels, George and BitBoy. Like those were the big channels. Altcoin Daily for the last bull market. There's others. There's a lot of great channels out there. Jason Casper's killing it this year. Shout out to Rich Yip saying, let's go BTC with the second super chat. That's 2 out of 10 super chats. If you want an extra 30 minutes, you're running out of time. The goal ends in 35 minutes. You got 35 minutes. Let's see if we can hit the goal. I like this goal idea. This is cool. This is cool. I appreciate the love. Thank you for your super chat, brother. And hey, guys, don't just throw a super chat out there and not get anything from it. If you want to do a super chat, ask me a question. Throw a question at me. Hit me with your best shot. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Okay. So anyway, why are we bumping up today? It's because we've been talking about these liquidation levels here at $70,000, $72,000 for a very long time. You've got Bitcoin right now, getting these shorts squeezed out. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. But big shout out to you, Richard Epp. I appreciate that super chat as well. We got 2 super chats on the day. Thank you guys so much. If we get 10 super chats, I'll give you guys an extra 30 minutes for the live stream. Maybe I'll just do it for you. But I don't know. You want to guarantee it? Throw them out there. We got a goal. Let's see if we can hit it. Now, we've got CNBC obviously putting out stories, obviously, because these are the facts. Bitcoin rises 4%, approaching its record and topping $72,000 for the first time in 6 months. We have not seen a $72,000 Bitcoin in 6 months. It has been a very long time since we have been at these levels. And so when you go to crypto Twitter today and you see everybody freaking out, everybody getting insanely bullish right now, it is for very, very good reason. And there you go. You got a crypto.com ad, by the way. Shout out to crypto.com. We will talk about Crow. Zeus Man, I will talk about Crow for you, I promise. Welcome, Zeus Man. Shout out to you. Love when a newcomer comes into the space. Love to you as well, P Kitchen. Much love to you. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for taking the time out of your days to go ahead and join us. Thank you so much, Jackson Crawford, for that super chat. I appreciate you. You want to look at Pendle? We can look at Pendle here in a minute. Give me a second. I will take a peek at Pendle for you. I want to get through some of the stories. But please remind me, okay, Jackson? I will get to Pendle for you. I promise. Technically, that super chat doesn't count towards the goal, but I'll count it in my head anyway. So if we only get to 9, I'll count that one towards the goal. $5 is the minimum for this goal thing. I don't know. Maybe I should make the goal lower. I don't know. I've never done this goal thing. We're just having fun with it. I don't know. We're testing it out. But CNBC is talking about this because this is a big deal. Crypto Twitter's going crazy right now. Everybody's bullish. Everybody says up only. Here's another thing you got to keep in mind right now, guys. At one point we were fearful at some point that we would actually see. Thank you, DWIGGs. Appreciate you. Thanks, Peace Kitchen, for the super chat. We're getting a lot of love today. I know you guys have been super excited about this bull market. Me too. Thank you, guys. Right now with this FOMC Fed rate cut probabilities. So at one point we saw there was no chance for a minute there that we'd have a 0.5% rate cut. Now it's showing again. And so there's nobody betting that we're going to pause the rate hikes, which is great. But there are majority, 99.7% of people believe it's only going to be a 0.25% rate cut. Bitcoin's pumping. Presidential election is right here. And we got these rate cuts coming still. Things are looking good, guys. These are all good things for bullish tendencies. Coin Baron says, sentiment can flip so quick. It sure can. And here's the crazy thing. You feel the sentiment. But look at the fear and greed index, brother. Look at the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index does not match the sentiment in the room right now, which tells us what? We're probably going to get more greedy here. This thing has only just begun because the fear and greed index has not yet shifted into the greed. And I'm telling you, there's greed out there. But it's not. This is a lagging indicator. The fear and greed index is a lagging indicator. It takes the social media metrics. It takes the price action. It's going to keep going into the green, and that's okay. That's okay. And, typically what we talk about with the fear and greed index is as this gets greedier and greedier and greedier, you're more and more likely to need and want to take profit, okay? So, and if, by the way, if we get a higher price for Bitcoin, please let me know. Shout it out if Bitcoin's pumping or something. Let me know. But just because we go into extreme greed does not mean that we have to sell off immediately. We could stay in extreme greed for a long time. When we get into the parabolic phase of this bull market, which we are so close to. We are so close to $72,774. This is crazy, guys. We're so close to the parabolic move. Again, this weekly candle is finally breaking out of this range for total market cap. Total market cap breaking above 3 trillion. Altcoins are ripping. Meme coins are pumping. 70 viewers right now, by the way, on this stream. Only 26 likes. Let's get those likes up to like at least 50, guys. It's like a little tap. It's like a click. It's so simple. Check it out if you haven't done it. It's one of the most important things you can do to support the channel. You know what? You don't have to super chat me. Forget it. If you want to, we'll give an extra 30 minutes, but just do me a favor, tap the like button, because Bitcoin is moving. Now the total market cap is moving. We're getting closer to the $3 trillion level, and we can be in this fear and greed index, extreme greed phase. If $3 trillion gets broken, we could be up there for a while. So yes, we have a very bullish sentiment coin baron right now. Things do flip on a dime, but it takes a while for this fear and greed index to kind of get going. Shout out to you, Nicholas. Thanks for tapping that like button. Crypto Runner, smashing the like. I appreciate you. Thank you, guys. Feeling the love today, let me tell you. Feeling the love. I'm hopefully giving the love, too. I want you guys to feel the love back from me, okay? So, again, if you have any questions, throw them out there. I want to talk to you guys, one-on-one or one-on-100, whatever. So, we got 87 viewers, 34 likes. Let's keep getting those likes up. So I'm curious to see, if we get some kind of there's a real chance, guys. In fact, I'm kind of surprised we're not seeing it yet. There's a real chance we're going to see like a $700 million liquidation on the shorts at some point. Imagine what happens with Bitcoin when that move happens. That's when Bitcoin went from 54K to 61K. That's almost a 10K, weekly candle. That's nuts. We can see that for Bitcoin still. Nicholas says, so few viewers is a good sign. It means that all the money is ready aside and FOMO will follow for sure. I think it will. Trade Joe says, fly me to the moon. Fly me to the moon. You know what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm saying. I'm with you. Let's fly to the moon. So, a couple other stories to get into. We looked at the Fed rate cuts. I don't think we're going to get a 0.5% rate cut, but there is some new economic data coming out on November 1st. Of course, this FOMC meeting is going to be on what? What is this? 8 days. So, what? On the 5th or 6th of... here it is. The 7th of November. Okay. So, economic data comes out on the 1st or 2nd of November. That could change this. Let's keep an eye on this. We definitely want a rate cut, though. That's going to continue to help the price of Bitcoin pump to the moon. I want to hone back in on this. The Stacks Nakamoto upgrade is live. What the heck is this? DeFi on top of Bitcoin. If you're looking for a new narrative in this bull market and you feel like you missed out on Solana, you feel like you missed out on, whatever it is, maybe the base chain memes, or maybe you feel like you missed out on Caspa or Sui, and I would argue that all those coins still have more upside. I would say you didn't miss out. In fact, we're about to make a ton of money together. But let me tell you this. Nobody knows about Stacks. Nobody's talking about Stacks. And that does not mean that nobody will talk about Stacks. I've been doing videos on Stacks, which is a layer 2 solution on top of Bitcoin, enabling DeFi with Bitcoin finality. I've been talking about this and getting no views on these videos. Nobody's talking about it. Nobody cares about it. But mark my words, I believe personally that one day they will, because we're talking about DeFi on top of Bitcoin. The transactions are irreversible, just as Bitcoin is. This Nakamoto upgrade brought the transaction times on this L2 for Bitcoin from 10 to 30 minutes down to under 5 seconds, I believe. I have to test it out for myself. That was the claim. If anybody used it, let me know what you feel. Shout out to P Kitchen. Appreciate the super chat. Asking a question. What can Neiro on ETH do? It was retweeted by Sheebcoin. What would your target be? I have 5K and at a 0.06 up about 2.2K-ish. 2.2K-ish. Let's talk about that. So now I got to talk about Pendle. I got to talk about Neiro. I'll come back to it, P Kitchen. I promise you. Okay. I will talk. I will. Ticker simple. I don't know that one. I don't know that one. I mean, for Stacks, it's STX. Stacks is the token. The ticker is STX. But here you go. It goes into it. This is just the start of a new era for Bitcoin. This is not just about Stacks. This is about Bitcoin. And what they're going to do then is now with this, it enables them to do Stacks BTC. This is a Bitcoin wrapped token on Stacks. All right, Stacks wrapped Bitcoin token, should I say. This is going to help a huge DeFi economy be built on top of Bitcoin. Bitcoin inherently is not set up for DeFi, but if you have an L2 on top of it that has the same finality as Bitcoin and uses Bitcoin, you know, as the place to settle the transactions essentially, and it's quick like an Ethereum, I mean, it's going to be bigger than ETH, I think. So, Chef X3 knows what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. One coin I talk about a lot is Welsh. It's the first dog meme token put on Stacks. I'm bullish on this. There's a lot of memes that are up a lot today. I don't know a lot about a lot of these, but I'll tell you what, Veller is a decentralized exchange on top of Stacks. This one has got a ton of upside. I think it's undervalued right now. Alex Labs is a place you can trade these as well. These are the meme coins and tokens within the Stacks ecosystem, okay? I've been talking about this. If you want to learn more about it, let me know. You should watch my Stacks videos. I trade off the Xverse wallet. I see a Chef X3 talking about Orange. Orange has been quiet lately. I hope that one does well too. But I'm bullish on Stacks. I'm bullish on DeFi on top of Bitcoin. And so places to check some of this stuff is Sat Screener and Stacks Tools. Again, they just had a huge upgrade and transactions are as quick as Ethereum essentially. So that's super great. One thing I want to talk about very quick too is this grass coin. Not talking about this coin in particular, but all I'm saying is this coin, I don't know what it is. I don't know anything about it. It was listed on crypto.com yesterday. It's up 46%. So when coins get listed on exchanges, there's pumps, but I would not be buying a coin on the pump. I would be buying the coin ideally before the listing, before the pump, because then there's usually profit taking. I just say that as an example to say, I'm looking forward and hopeful still that we get a exchange listing for the Mystery Mary token. I've got a large position on this. This is the #1 trending token on the Cronos chain, crypto.com's Cronos chain, that I'm most excited about personally. Again, I'm biased on Welsh. I've got a huge bag of that, and I'm biased on Mary. The reason I have those, though, is because I genuinely believe with the strongest conviction that those are respectively the top memes on the respective blockchains. For Stacks, I think the top meme is Welsh. That's my personal opinion. And for right now, Cronos, I think that Mary is the top token in the Cronos ecosystem when it comes to memes. That is my personal opinion. You could make a strong argument that I might fall in line with that caused the top meme. You could also make a strong argument that Corgi AI is the top meme on Cronos. And then this Moon coin's doing very well today, which was launched by the Wolf Swap DEX aggregator team that came to Cronos, which is actually, I'm pretty excited about that. There's no guarantee that Mary's going to get listed, but I do want to remind you guys that if it does, look what happens when coins get listed. They pump, they absolutely rip. So we can stay hopeful for that, but we also have to stay with realistic expectations, knowing that we cannot definitely predict what else, we cannot predict an exchange listing 100%, right? We've got some hints and all that, and I've talked about that before, but I bought a meme on Sui. Sui, man, I know nothing about it. Again, I'm just telling you guys, like, hey, I'm speculating on a very, very low cap coin. And the only reason I picked this one is just because I saw some people talking about it. Shout out to Daryl Young with a super chat, $6.99 with a great question about Cardano. Essentially becoming the smart contract layer for Bitcoin. Does that change your thesis on Stacks? It does not. We will talk about that as well. Thank you very much. So I will come back to your question, Daryl, and I will come back to your question, P Kitchen, and I will also come back to your question, Jackson, as well. Okay, so much love. Thank you guys for the super chats. I appreciate you. I will get to it here very, very shortly. I'm almost done with my little spiel for the day. So again, the idea is whether it's this coin or the other coin. I don't know what the top meme is on Sui. I just bought one. It's up 40% today. It came down quite big. This is actually where I bought it, so I'm down on this position. Just full disclosure, down on this position, not putting more in. Just got a nice bag secured right there at a lower price than the highs, which is great. But then it came down a little bit more because Sui was crashing. Sui's rebounding. I think that, the coins on Sui are also, going to have a good chance to rebound as well. What's going to be the big one? I don't know. I don't know what the big one's going to be. I have no idea what the coins are going to be to pump on Sui. You can guess. I can guess. We can look at what's been big, and we can just kind of guess from there. Anyway, memes are going to be hot as long as Bitcoin keeps pumping. Now, let's get to it. So I'm going to go back in order and be fair. Let's do a little bit of a Q&A. We got 4 out of 10 of the super chats for our goal. Goal ends in 20 minutes, so we still got 20 minutes. I'm doing a full hour live stream today. If you hit the goal of 6 more super chats, or actually 5 more super chats in the next 20 minutes, worth $5 minimum, then I will do an extra 30 minutes on this stream. And maybe we'll see the all-time high for Bitcoin together. Just having fun with it. I've never done this feature before. Let me know what you guys think about it genuinely. But, okay. So, first up, we've got, we've got Jackson Crawford. He wants me to take a peek at Pendle. So I'm happy to look at some coins. It's not, as long as they're not really low cap meme coins that you're trying to get me to pump or something, you know, great. I know that Pendle's not. We've looked at Pendle before. So let's take a peek at Pendle. Up 15% today. Not bad. Not bad. Are you still holding a ton of that, Jackson, by the way? Thanks again for your super chat. I appreciate you, Jackson. Much love, man. Much love. Taking a peek at Pendle. Ooh, it's doing something for you, bro. Very good. What do we have here? Okay. Getting back to its April highs. That's great. That's great. Very, very good. What kind of exchange listings does this thing have? Binance. Not on crypto.com yet. What? Remind me again, what is Pendle? Let me take a peek at what a Pendle is. Boom. Okay. It's at an $822 million market cap. It's currently what rank in crypto? 82. It's in the top 100. Look, a coin like this, you know, a coin like this can 5 or 10x easily. Okay, that's just how I feel. If it's in the top 100, we're going into a parabolic rally. A coin like this can 10x easily. Can you expect a coin like Pendle to 100x? No, you know, I don't expect it to go to $100 billion in valuation. Why is Pendle going to go to $100 billion in valuation? I don't think that, you know, that's necessarily something that we can expect for this bull market. But you know what? Hey, they've got a website here where they're offering, you know, yields, which is great. Sure, here. They're on cross-chain compatible for Ethereum, for Arbitrum, for Binance Chain, for Optimism. It's an app. This seems like, you know, a place where you can earn rewards on Ethereum, on Arbitrum, and Binance, Optimism by, you know, staking coins, essentially. Yield trading, concentrated liquidity, and then you can do some staking. So just a classic decentralized application where people can, you know, use their money, use their stable coins, use their Bitcoin, earn some extra yield, 5.76% on your, you know, Bitcoin. So it's a great idea. You know, there's a lot of great ideas out there. There's a lot of competition, but regardless of that, it's in the top 100 as cryptocurrency, you know, blasts off, and we are right now. Total market cap is breaking through this resistance. You know, Pendle could, sure, why wouldn't it keep headed higher? How high is it going to go? I don't know. I mean, a 10x is very achievable for a coin like that. You know, it's very achievable for a lot of coins, but a coin in the top 100, below $1 billion market cap right now, sure. You know, Shiba Inu went to 40 billion. Why can't Pendle go to 10 billion? You know what I'm saying? We got 73K Bitcoin. Boom, boom, boom. All right, folks. Okay, and I know I got some other people I gotta address here. We had some other questions that we're gonna get to in 2 seconds here. We got an alert of the 73K price happening. We're getting close. Okay, thanks, Crypto Runner. I appreciate you. I like to go off this until we see 73K here. Don't, you know, crypto.com app prices is not the actual price, in case you haven't noticed. Okay. That's okay. By the way, we got 68 viewers still. I know everybody's excited right now. 45 likes. We've got a goal. 5 more super chats. You know what? Heck, 3 more super chat. No. Yeah. No, 4 more super chats. And I'll do an extra 30 minutes for the stream today. I might just do it anyway because you guys have been very generous today, and I want to get back with some time and more content, and then continue to answer some questions as you guys kind of have them coming out about. So, Pug with hat on sweet. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I saw that one. Ton number 10 MCK. I don't know what you mean, Chef X3. Chef X3 says, I want to see Crow back at all-time high so bad. I want you to see it too. And $9.99 super chat from Sushi Satoshi, a legend, a member on the channel, a very generous guy. You know what? And he's really, really great at Mobile Legends, let me tell you, too. We game together, me and Sushi Satoshi. Appreciate you, brother. How might each presidential candidate impact Bitcoin prices, and in what direction? Now, Sushi, that's a great question, but I don't know if you see any of the stories about Google and if I say one thing or say another, how they might react. So, let me just answer it this way. It's exactly what you think it is, Sushi, and you know what I'm talking about. And you all know what I'm talking about. See how I have to dance around it? I have to dance around it because I don't want our channel to be shadow banned. I don't. One is better than the other. You know who. And for the prices of Bitcoin specifically, I'm not talking about anything else other than impact on crypto prices. And regardless of who comes out on top, Bitcoin does not stop rallying. Maybe we dip a little bit, right? Maybe we dip a little bit if one individual doesn't win. But we continue to rally. That's my personal opinion. Yeah. So we'll see. How am I feeling on Caspa, says Richard Merrill. I'm feeling great on Caspa. I think it's a great discount right now. I got to talk about, so we did some Pendle. Now we'll do some Neiro on ETH, okay? Let's talk about some Neiro action. So let's go over to that. And keep me posted, guys. Keep me posted if Bitcoin's ripping. We'll go back over to that chart here. Thank you so much for the super chats. So with what? 3 more super chats. We'll do an extra 30 minutes, I think. 3 more super chats. Because, you know what? It was the $5 threshold was a little high. I think I had 2 other super chats under $5. So we'll just count it towards the goal. We'll count it towards the goal. We got 71 viewers, 48 likes. Keep those likes going. Let's look at Neiro on ETH. There it is. First, Neiro on Ethereum. Okay, what can Neiro do? Well, for starters, Neiro could go back to its previous highs. Okay, that's a 37% move. That's pretty nice. Okay, right now it's at a $719 million market cap. Could it go to 10 billion? Maybe. Should it? I don't know. I mean, how many of these dog coins are going to go to, you know, multi-billions of dollars in market cap? Let's just look at this really quick. Whoa. That is not correct. That is not the proper socials. Neiro is the heir of Doge. Adopted by the same loving hands that cared for Doge, Neiro is the first to deploy on Ethereum, led by a community inspired by the legacy. Is like the little sister to Doge and the heir to her legacy. Adopted by the same woman once owned. Okay. So the same woman who owned the Dogecoin dog who died, Neiro is the new Dogecoin dog that she adopted. Okay, so the idea is this is the next Ethereum. And I guess it got attention from Vitalik Buterin. I have never really looked into this one a lot. He made a donation of 500K because I gave him some of the supply for this coin. Okay. Pretty good story. Look at him replying. So there's Vitalik. This is the head of Ethereum, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. And he's like, stop giving me coins, just donate it to charities instead. But that defeats the purpose of the marketing efforts from the communities. So, this looks good in terms of meme potential. Yeah, I mean, this could go to 10 billion. Could it go higher? Could it go to where Dogecoin went? Could it go to 88 billion? I don't know. Maybe if Elon Musk talks about it, right? But, 5 or 10x, easy. The thing is once you're up at $700 million, it's harder to put money in, Like, for this coin to 100x, You need it to go to $70 billion in market cap, which is $10 billion short of Dogecoin's previous high. Can we expect that? No, I don't think we're going to get 100x on this coin. Could it happen? Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't know who's going to come in and buy this thing. I don't know who's going to come in and talk about it. All of a sudden, Elon Musk is like, Dogecoin's dead. Now it's Neiro. I don't know. Like, maybe. Right? It's definitely a huge meme, though. Definitely a huge meme. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. Sushi, did I answer your question, brother? Did I answer your question, brother? I feel like you caught me on a tough question. You understand? I think you understand. I think you understand that. No. Wait a minute. Did we hit 74K? No. Oh, man. You got me, Nicholas. You got me, Nicholas. I think I missed one other. I had to talk about. Okay, and Daryl Young. Daryl Young. Thank you for your super chat as well, Daryl. Don't think I forgot about you. What are your thoughts on Cardano essentially becoming the smart contract layer for Bitcoin? Does that change your thesis on stacks? No, it does not. Because I don't think that Cardano is going to become the smart contract layer for Bitcoin. It is a option. But the problem, I think, with that is that Charles Hodgkinson said that Cardano is going to be bigger than Bitcoin one day. He came out as like an enemy to Bitcoin in a sense at one point. Am I wrong there? I'm pretty sure I'm right. Charles Hodgkinson, the leader of Cardano, has battled the Bitcoin community, saying, I'm better, we're better, Cardano's better. So is that really what his goal is? I don't think that's his true goal. And so you got to look to leadership. And I can tell you for sure that when it comes to stacks, Daryl, that Munib, one of the founders for Stacks, this L2 protocol for Bitcoin, he's a Bitcoin maxi. He's a Bitcoin guy. He's all Bitcoin. He ain't Cardano. He's Bitcoin. And then him and his buddies developed Stacks. And all the true Bitcoiners are more likely, in my opinion, to buy Stacks than they are to buy Cardano when it comes to determining, what's going to be the smart contract layer for Bitcoin. Stacks is a bigger narrative. It's the leading L2 protocol for Bitcoin. And I don't think that just because Cardano had a good news story, great news story, that's going to help Cardano, and it's great to see more things coming to Bitcoin. And I think there will. I think there's going to be many L2s for Bitcoin, just as we see many L2s for Ethereum. But I think that Stacks is going to be the biggest. Because it is the biggest already. It's kind of like Ethereum, okay? Now, Ethereum could be a bad example there because Ethereum's super slow. Ethereum has got a lot of work to do in terms of still speeding up its transit. But then they have the L2s coming. But I think that it's going to be bigger than Cardano as an L2 for Bitcoin. So I hope that answers your question. I think it does. Wait, didn't I do not first Neiro? It's Neiro on ETH. Okay, let me try to find this again. Did I do the wrong Neiro, brother? Oh. Not first Neiro on ETH. What the heck is this? Now, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't understand what's going on with this, then. See, that's not good. That's not good. I didn't like that. I mean, did you see what just happened? That's a bad sign, brother. That's a bad sign. This is not the true Neiro, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know what to say about this. It's up. But I don't know. Maybe, I mean, if I had to pick between the two just at that, I'd say the other one. Let's look at Twitter real quick. This is the real one. The other one's not. I'd say. Yeah, I mean, this is the one. Whatever this one is the one. The other one, run, I think. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah. No to this one. Sorry. New to this one. I did not like the website that I just clicked on. That was not great. So anyway, there you go. See, you gotta be careful even on CoinMarketCap, right? You click links. I think we're good here. ChefX3 says back to real projects. Let's go back to Bitcoin. We're pumping 72,978. Feeling pretty good. We're gonna hit 73K right now. We're gonna hit 73K right now. Let's do it. Let's go. Four minutes left on our super chat goal. Can we get to the goal? Should we do another 30 minutes? Crypto Guru's like, yo, bro, what about dogecoin? Maybe. I know, base chain meme. Maybe. But let's focus on Bitcoin, guys. 73K, right around the corner. Let's do it. Let's do it. Is this weird? I don't care. Oh, ooh, we got close. Here we are. Go, come on. 73, baby. 73K. Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's hang out a little bit. Let's watch this price action. Hey, Matt. How's it going? Oh, we blasting. Here we go. Here we go. And a $4.99 super chat from Eddie J Funds. We're getting closer to our goal. Thanks, Eddie. Appreciate you. Crowfit says, I've been watching crypto since 15K BTC. I can't believe what I'm witnessing. Well, you better believe it. Buckle up, buckaroo. We're going to the moon. I just caught. Oh my gosh. See, I liked Crow with Knife. I did enjoy Crow with Knife. You got it, Crowfits. You got it. We hit, what? We just hit? We just hit 73.1. Here we go. Hey, boo-boo. Look at this. What do we got for ETH BTC? doing all right, guys. We're doing all right. What's up, Bodum? How you doing? Matt Crafter says, Crow all-time high by sundown. That'd be great. I don't think so. We will look at it, though. We'll look at Crow. ETH versus Bitcoin still slipping a little bit. It is not yet time. Ethereum holders right now are shaking in their boots, but I think, you know, eventually this thing's gonna come back up, y'all. Okay, back to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's doing the thing. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's remind you guys exactly what is going on. Look at this. Look at this. Now, here's the cool thing. 73 cash. Look at this candle. Isn't it pretty? I'll tell you what, this sure is pretty. If this weekly candle can close above, okay, I always like to look at this. The body of the candle, right? The thick green part, right? Close above these lines. That's big. I mean, heck, if it could close above this, that's ideal, right? That's true price discovery mode. This is huge, guys. This is great. This is great. This is what we've been waiting for. We have been talking about crypto on this channel for a very long time. Now, okay, guys, we got 9 out of 10 super chats. You were just shy of the goal, but I'll tell you what, I'm proud of you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for the super chats. I appreciate the love. You guys, we're gonna hang out. We're gonna hang out for an extra 30 minutes. Okay? I'll hang out with you till about 2:15. Let me double check something real quick. Sit tight, guys. Sit tight. I'll be back. I'll be back. Hold on. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're back. What'd I miss? What'd I miss? Okay, well, we got up to, what, 73.1. That's pretty good. Here we go. Another 15-minute candle is opening up. Here we go. Here we go. So I'll hang out for two more weekly, or I'll hang out for 2 more 15-minute candles. How about that? How about that? Crypto Runner says October came through. I know. Yeah, I mean, guys, look, we've been talking about crypto on this channel for 3 years, and we said that this fall was going to be the time. My original prediction was that I'd be like able to start cashing out this month, next month. But the reality is we hit a high early, we consolidated for a long time, and now here we are, getting that pump that we've been waiting for finally. And so now it's like, yeah, I mean, I think there's going to be some good profit-taking opportunities. You know, there's always good profit-taking opportunities if you're getting green candles, but like, we need those altcoin versus Bitcoin values to keep going up, right? And we're right at that moment where this can truly begin. So it's super great. You should feel good about it. I feel good about it. Pat yourself on the back if you had the courage to stick around this long. Yeah, Daryl, appreciate your super chat. It was a great question as well, Daryl. You're sharp. You're sharp, man. That was a good question. It was a well thought out question. Appreciate you. Appreciate all you, by the way. And Marlon PB Cheetah says, hey, Kip, I got some USDC allocated for trading. I was thinking of sending it to CDC for DeFi for perpetual. I know you like Blowfin, but do you have any opinion on CDC DeFi? I do. probably, look, I have an incentive to tell you Blowfin, but I actually believe that Blowfin's probably going to be better. I admittedly have not used the perpetuals on CDC DeFi. I have used Fulcrum. It is limited in the coins you can get. I don't know enough, though, about CDC DeFi to really give you a great answer. I like Blowfin because I've used it. It's easy to use. They are, we have an affiliate link for them. I obviously like that. I'll tell you my biasness as it comes up. That's the transparency I'm going to give you on this channel. But I'll also tell you that I've used Blowfin and I do like it. They do have sign-up bonuses. I don't know if Crypto.com DeFi has that. If it is, I don't know about it. I have to look more into CDC DeFi perpetual. But I will tell you there is no KYC required with Blowfin, which is an advantage to some. But hey, if you like it, use it, If you like it, use it, right? Just do me a favor and make some money, okay? Don't get liquidated. Don't get liquidated now, guys. Please don't get liquidated now. Cool to use some leverage. Cool to do some trading. I think it's great. It's a great tactic. It's a great strategy. If you guys want to make some money, you can't sign up. You can use Blowfin. I got a link. It's pinned in the comment section. We got a link for FOMC too. FOMC is a popular place to trade as well. Free deposit bonuses when you sign up if you haven't done so already. So check those out. But please do not get liquidated, guys. Take some profit. I'd have to look into the CDC DeFi. I just have to look into it. I'll tell you what you should do is you should just take a look at both and look at the coin variety on each and decide for yourself. Also the fees, how much are the fees, right? Compare the fees if you can. Yeah. When in doubt, look at how expensive it is. Go to the fees. I can't tell you off the top of my head. I don't know. Hard to talk about ADA with its poor performance this year when BTC is at an all-time high right now. But it's not the only one, Crypto Runner, and you got a great point. But it's not the only one, because all the altcoin pairs are down versus Bitcoin except for a select few. The crypto exchanges, the crypto exchanges volume is nearly quadrupled between mid-year and September. Yes, Coin. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is doing very well as an exchange right now. I do see more people trading, by the way, on Blowfin. With our affiliate link that we have, I can see the activity. There's more people trading. It's that time. People are getting bullish again. We're seeing it happen. Just kind of looking through the chat here. Oh, my chat froze. We got 73. Move it up. Can somebody say something in the chat? I don't know. My chat just froze. Oh, I think my chat froze. That stinks. I think I got it figured out. All right, I got it figured out. We're good. Something. Thanks, Johnny. Yeah, spaghetti, piccata. You guys are unbelievable. Oh, I love you guys. That's awesome. Oh boy. Oh, let's see. Many more coins on Blowfin. Yeah, like 8 to 10. Yes, exactly, Marlon. Exactly. That was my thought. I know what's up. A little bit. Sometimes. We're doing okay. Is it Taco Tuesday, Johnny? What kind of tacos? We got al pastor. What do we got? You use guac? You like guac on your tacos? Little lime, little limon. Hey? Look at this. Here we go. Okay, we're going to take another stab at it. Here we go. Here we go. Daryl says, by the way, I do get a damn good laugh from the live streams that start without audio because Kip got to turn on his mic. But always a great recovery when he realizes. Oh, Daryl. Do you know how embarrassing it is when I have a button where I can mute it right here. I just mute the mic. And I'm like DJing all this music and stuff. You'd think after like hundreds of live streams, you'd figure it out. Taco Bell in USA, so bad. You agree? I do. It's so bad and so good. Brian Morani says, look forward to your videos every day, Kip. You're the best in the business. I appreciate that. Giving great advice and information daily. Not financial advice, of course, because it's not what we do here. Do your own research. Nothing we ever say is financial advice, but nonetheless, I appreciate the comment, Brian. I hope you're making money. Johnny Sevenfold says, carne asada with guacamole y una salsa picante con limón y una coca. Super cold. Very nice. That sounds great. You making that at home, or you got like the hot spot in town you like to go to? Kip think Tau will break 1K. Ooh, Tau. What is Tau again? Yes. I just looked at the price. Yes, I think it's going to 2x from here. A top 25 coin should 2x from here. It should, if it's a good one. And I know this one's popular. People associate this with AI. Why? Machine learning models train collaboratively awarded in Tau according to the informational value of the collected. A pure market for artificial intelligence. Boom. It's an AI play. It's top 25 coin. If it doesn't 2x, then I don't know. I'd be shocked. It should 2x. We moving, Marty? Let's go back. Oh, we moving. Let's go. Have you smashed the like button, by the way, guys? Have you crushed the like button? Bitcoin coming in at $73,000 and change. $73,234. Absolutely blasting off. This is amazing. It's a main chain with subnet AI chains, but very complex. I don't understand it at all, but it's pumping. Apparently, it's getting EVM compatibility soon. Dow. That's a big pitch. AI crypto play. Top 25, you have me at that. It's going to do well, probably, you know. We got to remember that as cool as the tech is, speculation is king. And buzzwords are king. And right now, the buzzword is AI. So. And Han is just cawing in the chat. 73K, 180 bucks. Pretty good. What have we got going on for those beautiful Cronos memes right now? Not much right now. Cause up 9%. There you go. Getting a little pump today. Let's see. Back to Bitcoin. Can't miss the big moves for Bitcoin. That's the focus of the day. So this yellow line, guys, that's our previous all-time high. We're in price discovery mode after that yellow line. Can we hit it today? Talk about Jupiter. I can talk about Jupiter. Jupiter's huge. Jupiter's a big play. You like, go to CoinMarketCap. Look at the Solana ecosystem. And check it out. Jupiter is right here. Jupiter's a huge DEX on Solana. Currently sitting at $1.07 at a $1.4 billion market cap. This one's an easy 10x. Solana's the hottest blockchain, the most popular blockchain to talk about. Do I vote on Jupiter? I don't know about the vote on Jupiter. But I think that Jupiter is a great protocol, and they had a beautiful airdrop, and it's a hot coin. I think it's going to do very, very well. As Solana's breaking into price discovery mode, I think Jupiter's going to do well. But meme coins, man, I'll tell you, these meme coins like to rip. Dog with Hat up 17%, Popcat up 22, Bonk up 10. Absolutely ripping today, folks. Absolutely ripping. Back to Bitcoin. Back to Bitcoin. 73190. Mr. Tanker says Bitcoin rally at 74K plus. I agree. There is a world, though, where this thing, like, plays this game with everybody's hearts and breaks through and retests and then goes up. Nobody wants to talk about Crow changing mood. Crow ain't the topic of conversation. It's just not. Right now, it's sitting and you know, it's sitting at 7 cents. It's fine. At some point in the parabolic leg of this bull market, it's going to go back up. That's my belief. Its value is still coming down versus Bitcoin, even coming to lower lows, which is nuts. But it's not that surprising because, as I've said, you know, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is still coming down lower as well. We're waiting for this total market cap to break out, and it's starting to break out. But we need Bitcoin to make a decisive move above the 73,000 level. Go to price discovery mode. The total market cap needs to break out. At that point, then your altcoins can start rallying, and then Ethereum can start to gain dominance back versus Bitcoin. And just as Ethereum is going to start gaining dominance back versus Bitcoin, you're going to see CRO gain dominance back versus Bitcoin. It's really simple. I'm going to keep talking about it. Chrome and Empire, that's the facts. I hope you appreciate that, but those are the facts. This is the straight up truth about it. It's where we're at. Crow coin ain't going to pump until this parabolic rally really begins. I'm bullish on it, but it ain't going to happen until it happens, and it just ain't happening yet. 73K, still hanging out above it. This is awesome. This is awesome. If I go back in time a little bit, let's go to the daily candles. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's look at the reality of the situation. Bitcoin has not been at these price levels for 230 days. And now, why is it stuck right here? Why is it stuck right here right now? This is where the daily candles closed before. Okay? So okay, now let's talk about this. A daily candle close right now. These are the previous highs. A daily candle close right now is the highest daily candle close in the history of Bitcoin. Technically, guys, see this dotted line? This is where the price right now, 73.19. We're at 73.2. These daily candles were the peak. A daily candle close right now, which is in 5 hours, is a highest daily candle close in the history of Bitcoin. Chrome and Empire says, wow, that was like the fastest 3 minutes on ESPN. Well done, Kip. But, dude, I know what I'm talking about, man. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't give financial advice, but that's just the kind. It's boring to talk about Chrome because it's just what it is. And it's boring and it's sad. And I want to talk about Chrome more, but it's just not. Hey, whoa, we're ripping. We're ripping 73.4. Whoa, we're ripping. Here we go. Okay, let's get down to the 5 minutes. Let's get down to business, to the brass tacks. 73.414, 73.432. We are climbing, folks. We are climbing indeed. Woohoo! All right, guys, we are pushing higher. The anxiety and the excitement. Can you see it? I'm just like peeling my face out like, come on, let's go. Ow, I just broke my jaw. We're doing it, guys. Here we go. 73.450. That's the high on the day. Thanks for tuning in to this channel to watch this all-time high price discovery mode, hopefully. All right, guys. Whoa. I don't even know what to say right now. Oh, I'm just ready. I'm waiting. I've been patient. You've been patient. We've all been patient. Look, these things move so fast. When it moves, let me tell you. We're getting short squeezes right now. Got 95 viewers. I know everybody's excited. Everybody's hopping in. Everybody's like, who's live right now? I want to see the price of Bitcoin ripping. Here's the news to those of you guys just tuning in. It's great that Bitcoin's pumping, but here's a very exciting thing as well. I know there's a lot of altcoin lovers out there. Please remember, guys, right now, what we've got going on is we've got a daily candle that is breaking out of the range for the total market cap as well. That can bring us up to $3 trillion again. That means $600 billion can flow into crypto. What coins is that $600 billion going to flow into? Some of it's going to be Bitcoin, about $300 billion of it's going to be into Bitcoin. Where's the other $300 billion going to go? Altcoins. Your altcoins. Our altcoins. Are you ready for it? Marty says, are we in the euphoria stage? I don't know. I think we're getting there. Yes, I think we're getting there. Marty. Who's got the champagne ready? I don't have the champagne ready. I do have a bottle of wine with my personal portfolio goal that when I hit that goal, I'm going to open that bottle of wine. It's got a Bitcoin on it. It's super cool. My wife got it for me. The wine might taste terrible, but it doesn't matter how bad the wine tastes. It's going to taste great if Bitcoin's breaking highs. If my portfolio is hitting that goal that I have. Pepe in the chat. Hey, Pepe, how you doing? Are you here? Are you ready now? You're joining us for the new all-time high, friend? I'm looking through the comment section, see what else I missed, if I missed anything. Matt Crafter says, Sol is going to give us whiplash. Bullish on Sol? I'm bullish on Sol too. Pepe is ready. Are you guys ready? Did you smash the like button yet, by the way? I think you did. I think most of you did. Well, I'm streaming through this candle, I'll tell you that. I will stream through this candle. I don't know how long I can stick around. Roman says, Quant has been very disappointing for me. Had high hopes. Look, all the altcoins are down. I don't think it's over for your Quant play yet, personally. Unless there's something that happened to Quant that I'm not aware of. It's rank number 90. Let's see how it shakes out. Again, you need total market cap to break out for your quant bags to pump, brother. Jimmy Page says Pepe's a dead coin. Whoa. We can laugh about that one in a couple months. I don't agree with you, Jimmy Page. I don't agree with you. Pepe will never 10x. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know about that, Jimmy. I don't know. Who agrees? All right, I'll tell you what, Jimmy. You inspired me. Let's do a little poll. We got some time. Will Pepe... Oh. It's frozen. 10x in... from here. That's the question. Yes or no? Throw the answers in the chat. Let me know. All right, we're getting another move up again. Okay, come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Heating up again. Here we go. Heating up again. What do I think about PRCL? I don't know much about it. Parcel. I could take a peek at it real quick. 39 million. Rank 619. This is extremely low cap coin. What about it? Real world asset. That's an RWA play. RWAs are hot. This seems like a very small cap play. Who knows? Who knows? Low cap coin. I don't know. Oh, here we go. 73411. It's a low cap coin. Low cap coins can pump. That's in a crypto bull market. Project Complete says, do you personally trade Bitcoin or do you just buy and hold? Personally, I just like to buy and hold. I do some trading sometimes, but it is not a huge strategy for me. It's something that I had to do for fun. Bitcoin breaking higher, guys. 73,474. 73,474. Climbing higher. Let's go. I think trading's a great strategy to make some money, but it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time and it glues you to your phone. It's a lot easier to buy and hold, I think. It's a great question. Shout out to John316. Thanks for joining us, John. How you doing? How you doing, John? 84 viewers. Everybody's tuning in. Everybody wants to see the all-time high. Here we go. We're blasting higher. Let's go. Croman says Welsh is my favorite meme play. Me too. I hope it goes up. Here we go. 73,491. Osiris, a loyal member and supporter of the channel. He's been a member on our channel for 9 months. We did have one gifted membership on this live stream today and a lot of super chats. Thank you guys all for the love. Osiris, make sure you guys are all, if you're a member on the channel, make sure you guys are getting into that private Discord where we chat with you guys. Warjohn says, folks said the same dead narrative about Doge and it still pumps. Exactly. Exactly, Warjohn. You got it. You get it. You get it. John316 says, because the crypto report, I am blessed in my positions. I hope you're making money, brother. Let me tell you that. I hope you're making money, John. I don't know about that coin, Crypto J. You're shilling. You're shilling hard. What's the market cap on it, Crypto J? What's the market cap? Tell me that. John316 knows what's up. He says smash a like. Jimmy Page says, Crypto, I was here chilling. Get you at 7 million and now it's 600 million. I told everyone last year Twitch memes were the narrative. I missed it, Jimmy. We can't catch them all. I'll tell you that. We can't catch them all, but that's a good call. If you made the call, it's a good call, brother. Are we pumping, John? A little bit. We're cooling off a little bit today. Getting a little move. Little friendly consolidation for Mary. Tony Mountain says, hey, I've been watching Kip since the FTX days. Yeah, man, I'll tell you what. We started the channel like probably 6 months before that. We started this crypto channel right before everything turned to, you know, horrible. $240 million for FWOG on Sol? Wow, that's pretty big. Not bad. That's not bad. Maybe. That could be a play. 240 million is a big market cap. 73,500. Are we gonna hit it? Let's go. 73,500. Can I get a $73,500? $73,500. $73,000. $500. $73,500 for Bitcoin. Sold! And we're going up, and quick to 73.6. 73.6, and we're moving higher. We are like $250 away from previous all-time high, friends. And we are live. Wow. This is fun. Price discovery mode live streams are way more fun than regular live streams. Can I get an amen? Do you guys agree? Daniel says, what's your prediction for Jasmine in 2024? 2024, we're running out of time, but I don't know. I mean, I think it could do a 2, 3, 5x before the end of the year. 2x before the end of the year. 2, 3x before the end of the year. I think it could do a 10, 20, 30x in this bull market, maybe more. Glad you like the tunes, John. All right, Bitcoin. Enough messing around. Let's do the thing. Shout out to all 81 of you guys tuning in. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day, choosing the Crypto Report as the channel to watch this beautiful moment in crypto history. We've been doing YouTube content for a very long time, waiting for this moment. We knew that Bitcoin would be pumping in some capacity at this point. I thought maybe this would be potentially, with the trajectory we're headed, this could be like peak Bitcoin prices, but we're just getting started. With this bull market's going well into, 2025. It could go all the way till August 2025. I don't know if it goes that long, but historically speaking, that would make sense. Let's go crypto, new all-time high incoming. Glad to be here live with you guys. Thanks for tuning in, the hot Fran. Matt Aguilan says, I'm cleaning my garage, making money. Yes, you are, Matt. Yes, you are. You're making money. Bitcoin's pumping. Our altcoins are set to move up sooner rather than later, guys. That's it. Listening to a live stream, cleaning the garage. That sounds like the life, man. That's not bad. Are you cleaning your garage for your new Lambo, Matt? Is that what you're doing? You're getting ready for your new Lambo? Jimmy Page says, doesn't it make more sense crypto winters are over because of ETFs? Jimmy, I don't know about that. I'll tell you though, no, I think that crypto winters will still exist because they're still going to be profit taking. It's just going to be different. There's going to be less ups and there's going to be less downs as Bitcoin gets older, I think, Jimmy. I just think our ups are going to be less drastic and our downs are going to be less drastic. I just think that's how it's going to work. Like gold, you know what I mean? For the wife's Lambo. The wife wants the Lambo. What color? What color? All right, guys. All right, guys. Wife's BF gets a Lambo too. Oh, low. That's a low blow, Jimmy. That's a low blow. That's so rude. You guys are bullish in the chat. Lambos and private jets for us all, says Hot321. Marty says everyone wants Lambo until they have a 5K brake replacement. I don't want a Lambo. I do want like a classic muscle car though, like not a supercar. I want like a classic like James Bond-esque muscle car. Like yeah. All right, guys. Oh, we're crashing. It's over. It's over. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right, guys. On this red candle, I'm going to call it, and my mouse is running out of batteries. That's no good. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with me here. We did it. I think I gave you the extra 30 minutes. Yes, I did. That's all we got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, forget it. Let's hang out a little bit longer. I just got to charge my... I'll hang out. We'll hang out more. We'll hang out a little bit more. Give me a sec. I'll hang out. I'm not going to go yet. I changed my mind. How can I go? Bitcoin's at all-time highs. How could I leave you guys right now? I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. Stick around. Give me 1 second, though. I'm hanging out. You should hang out, too. I'll be right back. I just got to take care of something for 2 seconds. All right, guys. Unfortunately, I do have to go. My wife has a doctor's appointment, and dad duties do summon me. And I got to do some more work for my job. So I got some work to do. Much love of everybody. Until next time, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get a new all-time high today, huh? Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in with us here on this wonderful day. Sorry I can't stream longer. We'll do some more, guys. We'll have some more highs, more breakout points. I wonder if we hit the high today. We'll see how she shakes out. Don't go. It comes red now. I gotta go. I'm sorry, guys. All love. All love. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time, okay? Peace, y'all.